Alright, so just got a strong push up. Just wanted to close it out. So that's 180. Wow, there it goes. 78, 79. Really beginning to push up now. Wow, 780. Okay, definitely sold too early. So pretty much what I saw going on right now was this pattern, right? Kind of these overall high points, overall low points, right? This SMA line or this middle VWAP. You could kind of see this pattern, this flow of the high points, low points, high points, low points, and high points. So it made sense. So I waited for confirmation. I waited for the break above the EMA line, so you guys could see that right around 825 to like 827. It was already showing not just signs of consolidation, right, from the sell-off, consolidation, and confirmation. You guys could see how this moved on from over here. I've taken one trade, and just so you guys can see, this is where I bought, and it was at 326. So just like I said, in between 325 and 327, and then you guys just saw me sell. So nothing fancy, nothing special. There we go, /CL, again, overall descending pattern. Look at the MACD, look at the RSI, showing signs of potential confirmation. So the more that it continues to sell off, the better for us, right? Or I guess for me. But there it goes. Look at that. There we go. There we go. There it goes. It just broke 55. But 536 on this, and yeah, as you can see there, we're up 700 so far. Alright, that was a good one. That was a very smooth trade. Again, I took part when all the action was happening, which, being completely honest, for all those that have seen me trade, that usually doesn't happen. That was a very ideal trade. Those are like the glorified ones that I really like, but again, doesn't usually play out like that, so I don't want you guys to think that it's always that simple. That was very, very simple. So there it goes, showing one small little sign. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go in with a smaller amount, so 4,000 shares. So here we go, we're at the EMA line. That looks nice, but again, no confirmation just yet. Nope, consolidation. Right, and then I have DWT right here, so I could see where the bid and the ask is. So it's right around where I bought at. Right, so nothing fancy. We're still consolidating, no break of pattern. Here it goes, trying to pull back a little bit. The MACD is beginning to descend, which again, indicators are a good resource and a good reference. It's never a reason you want to take a trade. You never want to rely on an indicator, nothing like that. You never want to rely on, anything to tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell. Again, it's not really selling off right now. You guys can see how much I'm up, how much I'm down. I'm gonna try to, again, just manage that risk just in case there's a breaker pattern. There it goes. Look, it's beginning to pull back. So again, not a huge dollar amount, but that doesn't mean that things can't go south, right? Especially if we begin to aggressively uptrend. I'm probably going to be best if I lock in, close out my position. There goes, I set my stop just so I'm out of control, right? So if it pushes up and it continues to uptrend, then that's out of my control. That was my fault for getting in a sense too early, and then I pay the price for it, right? Then I'll cut losses. And here it goes. It looks like we're about to get to that point. Let's see, here we go, and sold. Whoa, why did it sell at 3.8? What the heck? That's bummy. Wow, that gave back quite a bit. That gave back about $300. Here we go. Gonna wait for the break below 30, 55.30. Let's see if we get it. You know, if we're so certain that it's gonna sell off, then why not just wait for it, right? And there we go. Did it go? Whoa, what happened? Wow, that was annoying. That is not good. Right as we're talking so good about TD Ameritrade. Okay. Let's see, can we break below 55.20? That would be really, really nice. There it goes, 55.22. Nope. Okay, there it goes. Let's see, back to 23. So a little heads up to you guys. If you guys are up on your trade and you guys don't want to risk it, right? This would be a reason. I'm just saying, it doesn't mean that you have to. I'm just saying that there would obviously be a reason on why you would lock in profits. Would it be viewed as conservative or you lock in profits too early? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter as long as you feel comfortable with your trade. Again, the dollar amount that you're trading with right now is not what you could be trading with down the road. There it goes, selling off, making lower lows. There it goes, sold at 646. So that's where I decided to sell. Right now it's at 646, 647. Again, I was looking, I personally, this is my opinion, right? I like to look, this is my preference. I like to look at the future and it's still selling off. So there it goes. It should be 646, 647, 648. Wow, there it goes. 648, 649. Missed out on quite a bit, right? Still has a lot of margin to sell off. But like you guys saw, we're showing a lot of signs of like consolidation. But closed out my trade back up to $1,200. Close out just so you guys can see overall, right? You guys can see my total orders here. That's really just it. So I really appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Don't forget to make someone smile today, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note.